What's up, guys? It's Science and Gaming Boy here. Today, it's part 2 of breaking open the phone. Okay, grab my hammer, grab these two pieces, gotta break open this one. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's launched. Okay. We're gonna see if we can peel. I don't think you can see this, but it's slowly peeling open. Look at that. What? Look at that. Wow, I'm gonna keep pulling it. Oh, yes, I got another piece. Wow, I have a bunch of pieces. Wow, look at this. Look at that. It's the motherboard. I already broke it, but I don't care about this phone. Two more pieces. Wow, this is so cool. And this is the part of the keypad. That's cool. I think the other keypad. Oh yeah, the other keypad is in there. I'm gonna demolish that part. Oh. If you can see, it's right there. I got it. I'm outside and it's really dark. See, that's my house, by the way. I live in the basement. Okay, slow. Yeah. That's that part, and then it's gonna be done with this one, and then like that. Boom. Wow. I'm gonna demolish. Wait, where did that other? What? Where did that other part go? Where? Oh, is this it? Oh yeah, that was it. And then this is supposed to be right there. Oh yeah. Demolish Kool-Aid Man. Okay, sorry guys, my neighbor just walked by. Keep smashing. And I don't think my neighbor's on camera. So, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Whoa. Okay. I'm feeling so flat on my Xbox. You can just go down in the they can't talk. I just put it in the comments below. Say HFF. Capitalize H, capitalize F. Okay. Gonna have to do it for today. For the rest of this video. Okay, this is it. I have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then over here, you might not be able to see it. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Wait, not that. Yeah, 23 out of, oh wait, no, 24. And this. Where is it? Right here. Okay, that's gonna have to do it. Bye, guys.